What's up guys and welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here, and today we're on the Rio Grande as usual doing some fishing adventure. So right now I'm showing you guys everything want to go on right now. So right now we have a crew right here. I'm showing you guys the person them who I'm gonna do the fishing adventure with. So I'm just introducing you guys the people them right now and showing you some epic fishing vlog, and hoping you guys enjoy and keep on watching. Nice, you know? Fishing, understand? Cool right there, down Rio Grande, yeah.
Come back down there, sorry. Oh. Come back down there. Good back up here, food, man. Find more, sorry. I'm on fish, you see. Big little mudfish. In there?
Mudfish.
Yeah,
Or this?
Mudfish. That's the big one down there, sorry.
Yo, me glide down here, so?
Yeah.
A big one look like, it lick up on the belly, you know. Lie down on it when me see perch, you know, me not penetrate, so indeed, you see it.
Big one, don't go on that, man. First ain't gone, we don't worry about it.
Is the cold bread back?
Yes, so right now we can leave out now from out a little area, so catch some mudfish, some sunfish and some perch. So we are going to the river right now, see if we can get some few more, you understand? It's a crayfish. Yeah man, so off down there, so a good spot to catch a perch, you know? Down there, so I go region there. A long water right here, so.
Come here.
Yes guys, I'm out here right now on the beautiful Rio Grande. And what we doing right now, about to touch water soon, as you guys can see. Place hot. Yeah. So right now, I'm going to do you know, take a truck off down on the beach right here, so you know. Yeah. Is gonna catch a big one. You catch a big one, you know. Yeah. Big one this year. Yeah man. Yeah.
You see boy that style pass, no?
Yeah.
Rock him, you know.
Yeah.
Man.
It's a big purchase.
Nice though.
Big one, huh?
Put that in us. Put that.
That Friday. Just come out, man. Now you can keep up.
Come on.
You know?
Yeah.
That fish to come up.
Is it?
Huh?
Yeah man, they're up on the river side same way, no? Some bird. Go on easy on the river, yeah. Drop in it, baby.
Bite, I better wear that now.
Yeah, no, come on. Nice, look. Fresh in. Understand? Cool water down a Rio Grande here. Yeah. Just go take a dive, you understand? Tasty water. Water cool and nice. Refreshing. Yeah. So we now we're going to go in the river now, take some more fish. And you them gone same way. Take a dive while I go, you know. So right now, I don't the river time. It's a big one, you know. See, man? Yeah. Yeah, peeps, so we take a walk now down to the riverside. Down the river we go. So we are walking now, go down. See them boy down the bottom there, so I go on, do them things same way. Understand? I don't want to see me in action, people. See my gun here, you know. So if you don't want to see me in action, just let me know. Yes, people, so these are the bushes that I've been telling you about, right? A lot of them here on this rock. So we can just pick them off. Easy, easy. Understand? As me I say, them are good for boil soup. Yeah, just what we normally do, we just pick them out, scald them in some boiling water, then come out the shell, easy, and then we just use them to boil soup, you understand? Like normal. Yeah guys, so the youth them weather fishing, then going down the river right now. So right now I'm still there on the riverside here. Sun is really hot, intense, yeah. So I'm still there, go and just relax, enjoy this cool nature, you understand? Love it. As you can see, the water is very calm, beautiful, lovely, yeah. Really enjoy the whole niceness of this. Just like say me just sit down there the whole day and just relax, you know, calm, yeah, I love it. Rio Grande, you know. So right now it's up on Downs River. I go up on Downs River right now, on this side Downs River mouth. We're in out to Grande, and this is on Downs River. We are going up.
Watch out, man, I'm careful. That's how we do this, man.
Eh?
Right,
You drop?
I'm not job.
How long for them bruise up, brother?
And trees.
Come here. See that?
Yo,
How far you up there? See a cow here? Watch out for you, you know.
water.
That bucket to the head. Long, you know.
Well, big.
Knock him, knock him.
Man. And well, big one, big man. I'm going to put him now.
Yeah, man, actually, I never eat anything.
Yeah, yeah,
Man, get it.
yeah, yeah.
You real off enough, Stabby.
Hmm?
You real off enough.
Yeah. Nice size. What if
I don't know. I don't know.
First meat, that's so much, right? First
Never eat meat, eh?
it tastes nice like saltfish.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Sweet, no bone.
Nice like saltfish.
Yeah, man, nice.
Yeah.
Right now I didn't get it, you know.
Yeah. Long.
The snake.
Put him down on my thumb. I'm more open. Come on.
Just shut off and bread buff.
Big one.
Big one in there?
A big one that.
More in there?
Yeah man, I made it see. I think.
Son, don't use up about this. This is a good meat, river meat. Good river meat, the same way.
Yeah.
No people not like heat, but you see this a meat, huh? I want the best meat them in the water. See, man? Heel.
Yeah.
Heel meat this. See, man?
So just wedge him with sand.
Wedge him with sand, yeah. Can put him over fire if you want. See him when you wedge him. Yeah. Real meat this.
Come on.
Like real meat. Hard slime gone now. Hard slime gone. See slime now,
Nice.
man?
Yeah.
The man slime them, man. Hard slime. Everything gone. No slime again.
So you can cook now.
Can
Season
cook,
up on
yeah.
everything.
Yeah, man.
Skin him?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, skin him first.
Over fire.
Oh.
Wedge him. Yeah, man.
I was seeing if I went there, friend, you seen target blue.
Yeah, man.
Tastes like
This.
sardine
Yeah, man. Sardine.
or saltfish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In this.
So it tastes like in my rough with them.
Nah, man. It's nice bread back, man. Nice bread back. I'll find on two more on like that bread back.
Yeah.
Have you face. Up where we walk up on this thing here.
Yeah, so going through the same way, you know. I go over here, a small stream. Yeah, people, so right now, you're about to go back here now. You understand? Off of the river here. Yeah, so just want to say how big up to all of my fans them all over the world, you understand? From Africa, Europe, USA, Canada, England, you understand? And all over the Caribbean who have been watching the channel, who have been supporting the channel. Bless up, you know, and stay peace. Out.